Welcome to our deep dive into the essential tools that power the daily operations of Linux system administrators. Whether you're managing a single server or an entire data center, these tools are the backbone of efficient and secure system administration. Let's explore the top tools that every Linux admin should have in their arsenal. First up is CyberArk, a leading solution in privileged access management, PAM. It secures privileged accounts, credentials, and secrets across your IT environment, ensuring that only authorized users have access to critical systems. Next, we have PuTTY, a free and open-source terminal emulator. It's widely used for remote access to Linux servers via SSH, providing a simple yet powerful interface for managing systems from Windows environments. ServiceNow is a robust IT service management (ITSM) platform that streamlines processes like incident resolution, change management, and asset tracking. It enhances collaboration and ensures compliance across IT operations. Monitoring is crucial, and Dynatrace offers advanced observability into your infrastructure. It provides real-time insights, anomaly detection, and AI-driven analytics to proactively address performance issues. Automation is key in modern IT, and Ansible Tower facilitates this by providing a centralized platform for managing Ansible playbooks, inventories, and workflows, enabling efficient and repeatable system configurations. Effective communication tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack are integral for collaboration among IT teams. They support real-time messaging, file sharing, and integration with other tools, fostering a cohesive work environment. SharePoint serves as a centralized platform for document management and collaboration. It allows teams to store, organize, and share information seamlessly, enhancing productivity and information governance. These tools collectively empower Linux administrators to manage systems effectively, ensure security, and foster collaboration. Embracing them can significantly enhance your operational efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into system administration best practices.